Hello everyone, this is Piyush Anand and welcome to Data Prog Hub. Today I am going to show you an amazing feature in Tableau that can save you a lot of time while creating dashboards. Normally, if you want to analyze your data with different types of charts like bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, you might end up creating multiple worksheets. This can make your dashboard heavy and difficult to maintain. But here is the good news. Using parameters in Tableau, you can create just one chart and allow users to switch between multiple views. Instead of building separate charts for each scenarios, parameters let you replace them with a single dynamic chart. This means your dashboard stay clean, interactive and super easy to use. Plus, it gives your audience the power to explore data in the way that makes most sense to them. So stick around because I will walk you step by step on how to build this parameter driven charts in Tableau.
So let's quickly discuss our agenda, that what exactly we are going to do here. So suppose that we have 6 different charts, 3 charts for sales and 3 charts for profit. So we can say that we have two measures, sales and profit, and we are analyzing sales and profit against region, category and segment, and we are also analyzing the profit against region, against category and against segment. So we can say that there is a lot of charts to maintain, but instead of building all the 6 charts, we can actually create one chart that does the job of all of them. So we will be creating one single chart in the dashboard, and we will be toggling between different scenarios using the parameter. So how we are going to do it? First, we will create two parameters. Then we will connect these parameters to our data using calculated fields and simple formula, and we will be able to utilize it to the video and see how we are going to do it. Thank you.
So let me take you to the dashboard and show you that what we are going to do here. So here I am having a dashboard, Superstore sales, profit and dashboard. So here I am having four different charts and there are multiple charts that I haven't even included in this dashboard because there is no space available, right? So here are multiple charts that I am having, but like four different charts have captured all the space over here. But I want to add more charts. So what we can do, we can create a dashboard which gives a feature that by changing the dimensions and measures, we can move through different options. For example, if I choose region and here I choose profit, it the same chart shows the profit in different regions. And now if I change it to category, so it is now the same chart is showing us the profits among different categories. But now if I want to analyze sales, I can choose sales and now it is showing me the sales of different categories. So we are going to create a single chart that will contain the feature of all different charts, and this chart will be dynamic and will allow the user to change what they want to see in the dashboard, right? So let's begin on it. So let me just open a fresh Tableau worksheet for you. So how we are going to do it? The first step, go to the drop down and choose the option of create parameter. Okay, so here we have choose the option of creating parameter. So now just name the parameter as choose dimensions. The data type, it is going to be string. We are going to choose list. Okay, and now we have to name it. For example, we are going to see category as a dimension. So category underscore. We are not going to keep the name same as to the dimensions that are available here. So just the then we are going to choose segments underscore and then region underscore, and now okay, and we have created a parameter for dimensions. Now if now if we choose show parameter, here the parameter appears and it shows us the list, that category, segments, region. Okay, so we have created one parameter for dimension. Another parameter that we are going to create is for measures. So now again go to the drop down, click on create parameter, and now name this parameter as choose measures. Again we are going to create it as a list, so data type will be string. Click on list and name it. For example, we are going to choose sales, so sales underscore profit underscore. Create OK, click OK, and another parameter is created. Choose measures. Now just show parameter, and this parameter appears here. So here we are having sales and profit. So now we have created these parameters. Now it is the time to connect these parameters to the data. So what we are going to do, just go to the drop down, click on create calculated fields. Here name it as choose dimensions connector. Okay, you can name it as your convenience, but I am just naming it as choose dimensions connector. So here the formula is case choose dimensions when category underscore then category. So it will now connect it to the category data source when segments underscore then segment, when region underscore then region, and now end. So now the parameter is connected to the data source. Apply and OK. Now we are going to create another connector for the measure parameter. So same way, click on the drop down, create calculated fields, name it as uh, choose measures connector. The formula is case choose measures when sales underscore then sales, when profit underscore then profit, and apply OK. So now here we have created these parameters and we have connected these parameters to the original data source. So now we have done 90% of things. So till now what we have done, we have created these parameters, we have connected these parameters to the original data source. So now just we require to drag it to the rows and columns. So first we are dragging choose dimension connectors to the rows, and now we will drag choose measure connectors to the columns, and it depends upon you. You want to interchange it, you can interchange it to rows and columns. So and just change it to entire view. And if we want to change the color, just choose measure connector and drag it to colors, and it will change the color. And just see, now these parameters are functional. So if in the choose dimension parameter, now it is showing us the region, so region versus sales. Now if we want to change it to category, just if we click on category, so now it is showing us the category versus sales. Now if we choose it to region, again it is showing us the region and sales. Now if we want to change this measures from sales to profit, now it is showing us the profit. So by this you can create it, you can just export this chart to your dashboard, and it will be functional here. So if you like it, if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any update on data prog hub. Thank you very much.